Hey, good morning. This is Tim at JH Barkau and Sons in Cedarville, 815-718-9288. This is the 2017 Nissan Sentra S with the four-cylinder engine and the six-speed manual transmission. Has the 1.8 liter in it, which is a great engine from Nissan, 35,600 and some miles. Has a manually adjusted seat, a six-speed manual transmission, AM/FM radio with CD, heating and air conditioning controls, audio controls on the steering wheel, cruise control, your rear wiper, traction control, the eco and sport modes, your outside mirror switch. Great safety ratings on the Nissan Sentras. Driver passenger airbags, side curtain airbags, side thorax airbags. Nice spacious trunk with 60/40 seats that fold down. Keyless entry. It is a one owner. Has plastic wheel covers. The basic warranty is probably close to expiring, but it does have the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on it. So take a little peek at this, check it out, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Bye.